Troy.
Well, as we look at our 4 things to know at 4, there's a lot going on this week, folks, but we do have the potential at severe weather. We also have a cool down that's on the way, and those two are going to kind of go together as we move into Wednesday and Thursday. But let's talk about tomorrow first. It's a very warm day. Some high temperatures will be approaching that 80-degree mark, but as we move into Wednesday, that is when we're going to see that slight risk of severe weather set up for at least parts of East Texas. The next bullet point, a cold front is on the way, and that's part of the reason why we're going to see some of those showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday. And then as we look at our next headline, cooler temperatures, they'll be making their return once that front moves through Thursday and Friday. Here's satellite and radar. Not a ton going on. There's a very weak boundary in West Texas that will actually drop our humidity. It's really not going to do much for our temperatures, but at least it will be less humid tomorrow with those highs being close to that 80-degree mark. Here is the storm system that will be making the difference. It will bring us a decent chance of rain and a chance at some stronger storms as we move into Wednesday. That being said, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 2 slight risk of severe weather. Now, this is highlighted here in the yellow, so I'll zoom in and you can see places like Crockett, Nacogdoches, Lufkin, Hemphill, Henderson, Longview, and Marshall, all in that level 2 slight risk. And the main threat here will be that threat for 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts. So it is something we're monitoring. Let's go ahead and look at our Futurecast model to see what exactly may happen as we head into Wednesday. What I've done here is we're starting this early Wednesday morning. Prior to 6 o'clock, maybe a few showers, maybe a rumble of thunder or two. But as we go throughout the course of the morning, we'll pause this again at 9 o'clock, we do start to see these storms become a little better organized, and eventually, when they organize into a line, we're going to start to see these storms really begin to ramp up, but that doesn't happen until about noontime when the storms cross over into Louisiana. So there you go, looking a little more robust there. And anytime you have a line of stronger storms like that, your primary threat of severe weather would be the threat of those damaging wind gusts. And then it dries out and we cool down in a big way. Here's Longview, starting to see a few more breaks in the clouds, and with that boundary moving through from our west, I do expect more breaks in the clouds as we get a little later on in the evening. But folks, it's warm out there. Look at that, 73 degrees, strong south-southwest wind at about 14 miles per hour, and it's been warm today. Look at these high temperatures so far. We were in the low to middle 70s for most of us today. Tyler actually clocked in at 76. It was 71 in Center and Lufkin in deep East Texas, even at 75 degrees. That being said, we're pretty close to our daytime highs. We've lost about a degree or two. Crockett's the cool spot at 70. Tyler remains the warm spot at 75. But look at Corsicana, still at 77 degrees. It's been windy. That's part of the reason why we have seen the very warm temperatures that we have seen. That wind's been bringing up that Gulf moisture, and those warmer temperatures from South Texas will be down to 56 overnight tonight. And as we look at tomorrow, it's a cooler start. Again, less humidity to deal with. We'll see a few passing clouds as well. Temperatures in the middle to upper 60s by 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. Here are the next 7 days. 60s Thursday and Friday, a shower or two possible on Saturday. We'll hit 54 Sunday, plenty of sunshine in the forecast Monday. Deep East Texas, probably a slightly better chance rather of those severe thunderstorms on Wednesday, and then we'll have another rain chance Friday into Saturday. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KETK.com.